Healing Meditation Words for Beginners of Meditation Chapter 3. 1. Just as a fletcher makes straight his arrow, the wise man makes straight his trembling, unsteady thought which is difficult to guard and difficult to hold back, restrain. 2. Even as a fish taken from his watery home and thrown on the dry ground, moves about restlessly, this thought quivers all over in order to escape the dominion of Mara, the tempter or death. 3. The control of thought, which is difficult to restrain, fickle, which wanders at will, is good, a tamed mind is the bearer of happiness. 4. Let the wise man guard his thought, which is difficult to perceive, which is extremely subtle, which wanders at will. Thought which is well guarded is the bearer of happiness. 5. They who will restrain their thought, which travels far, alone, incorporeal, seated in the cave of the heart, will be freed from the fetters of death. 6. If a man's thought is unsteady, if it does not know the true law, if the serenity of mind is troubled, in him wisdom is not perfected. 7. Here is no fear for him whose thought is untroubled by faults, whose thought is unagitated, who has ceased to think of good and evil, who is awake, watchful, vigilant. 8. Knowing that this body is fragile like a jar, making this thought firm like a fortress, let him attack Mara, the tempter, with the weapon of wisdom, protect what he has conquered and remain attached to it. 9. Before long, alas, will this body lie on the earth, despised, bereft of consciousness, useless like a burnt faggot. 10. Whatever an enemy may do to an enemy, whatever a hater may do to a hater, a wrongly directed mind will do us greater harm. 11. Not a mother, not a father, nor any other relative will do so much, a well-directed mind will do us greater service.